What is WordPress? So WordPress is essentially a content management system. Content management systems are platforms which allow you to develop websites or manage content, as the name states, very easily without the need of having coding knowledge behind it. So WordPress has become one of the most popular content management systems out there, due to its simplicity as well as the fact that it's very, very powerful. WordPress works with a basic principle. So WordPress, when you install WordPress onto your private server or using the official server for free, so wordpress.com, you can give it a try. I just created a random account so that you could actually have a taste of what it looks like. And once you create your website on a private server or on the free server, you will see that you need a theme. You need to activate a theme. Now the theme is the equivalent of the flesh, and the WordPress is, so to say, the bones. So you need a theme in order to have a body, because you must add the flesh to the bones. And the reason behind this is because the theme allows you to customize, to give it colors, to give it the essence that the website would have afterwards. Now, there are free themes as well as paid themes. I do highly recommend to purchase a theme when it comes to building a professional website, but I also do recommend to start with a free or a light version of a paid theme, given that allows you to actually start to play around and to get used to the platform and just to get the knowledge behind what it is to use WordPress. And then once you do have that knowledge, I also do highly recommend to purchase the theme then. Now, what you can also do is basically what I did when I started with WordPress is I used light versions of paid themes. Light versions of paid themes are basically limited paid themes. So they are for free, you get them for free. It's part of what the paid theme looks like. And then again, if you're willing to add all the perks that the private one or the official one has, then you have to pay obviously and upgrade yourself to that one. Apart from the themes, WordPress also works with plugins. Now plugins, the analogy would be they are the tools to the themes. They are extremely essential. So the plugins are what allow you to develop the website very easily. Now there's this very famous plugin going on right now called Visual Composer, and it has been revolutionary. Its predecessor was called Page Builder, if I'm not mistaken, and basically what it does, it allows you to drag and drop content. So you can create content in your website just by dragging and dropping, so you don't even need to have as much knowledge behind WordPress websites as you would before, back in the days where these kind of plugins did not exist. Now WordPress allows you to develop e-commerces, websites, blogs, corporate websites, etc. So you can create any sort of an internet portal with this platform. It really is powerful and very easy to use.